Hello guys, this is Alan with the R6 here, and today in this episode I'm gonna install some frame sliders on the old girl. The reason being, unfortunately, I've dropped it. Not a crash, but I've dropped it on the standstill. So I'm gonna show you what happened.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Tu ce ai făcut, boviță?
So on this side here you can see just scratched the engine casing. So yeah, I need to do something about it, obviously. I will install now frame sliders. I don't know why I haven't done it before. This on the R6, on this particular model, on the 5SL, it's a bit tricky. You can't really fit frame sliders without cutting the fairings. However, I did find some on Amazon. I'm going to show you here. In this box we have obviously cheap stuff, but hopefully will do the job. So this is for Yamaha R6 between 2003 and 2005 frame slider. So obviously on the left side is very straightforward. You got this thing here that replaces that bolt there. So however, as you can see, those are very tiny. So in some points I will place an order for longer ones, like that sort of thing, just to stick out a little bit more, because those are not that good. I mean, it will stop it if it's dropped, as in a standstill drop in this case, but not if you go on a crash or whatever. So yeah, that's that one. But on the other side we have a different one. So this bit here will go there behind the fairing. So I need to undo all of these fairings and install that thing in there. So this edge will stick out just about here somehow. So I'll find out. So this is what we have. Those are the bits, and then those are the tools we need. Not a lot at all. So basically we'll need an 8mm hex with an extension for the ratchet, and also we need to undo the fairings bolts with that thing there. So yeah, not a lot of tools. I'm gonna start the process. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. Let's do this. So this is how it looks on this side. So hopefully, if it does drop again, this will protect it. Now obviously this side was very easy to do. Now we're gonna go on to the other side. But as I've mentioned, on this side we have to strip the whole side fairings to get behind this trim there to install that bracket. So stay tuned. So we've taken the side fairings down, and if you look at those two bolts are the ones that we need to take off and place this bracket just there. So when we got it, it will be just like that. Let's crack on. Here we go, guys. Before I put it all back together, I want to show you how this frame slider is bolted on. So you got the two bolts here, and then you got the actual plastic rubber thing. This will hopefully be hidden under the fairings, and just this bit will stick out. Yeah, let's put it all back together now. Guys, the sliders are now fitted on the old girl, so I'm going to show you. This is on the right side of the R6. So as you can see, that is the slider. As I've mentioned, I will buy the different bobbins, bigger ones, but at the moment I'm going to leave those. It's easy to replace, just to unbolt it from there basically. But so you see how flush this is with no cuts. Okay, so the actual bracket is under the fairing right there, and that is solid there. I will show you on the other side. There you go. So that replaced the bolts, only one bolt, so that was very easy. On the other side, I had to obviously take half of the fairings off to fit that thing, but I'm really pleased with the result. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Alan with the R6, and I hope this video was very helpful. As I mentioned at the beginning, those frame sliders are purchased from Amazon, so it's nothing fancy, nothing expensive. They're probably worth about 30 or 40 quid. And yeah, no drilling to the 2005 R6 frame sliders install. If you enjoyed this video, give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next video, cheerio.